And our first ingredient is softened butter, 1 cup. Our second ingredient, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar and 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And now we mix, and we want to look for a frosting consistency. Now we can add 1 egg. Next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We can move on to the dry ingredient. Our first ingredient is 2 cups and 1/4 of all-purpose flour. We go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We go ahead and mix that in. And this is the part of the video when we mix wet and dry. You could do it in parts. We add 2 cups of chocolate chips. We go ahead and mix that in with a spatula. We get the baking pan and start scooping away that dough. You want to have your oven set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place them there for 10 minutes. We need to let the cookies rest. Now you've become the master of the oven.